Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Wordtune. Keep watching the video till the end. You can contact Wordtune through email, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter or through TikTok as well. For that, firstly, what you can do is launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in wordtune.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of Wordtune. Scroll all the way down to the end and choose any one of the medium to contact Wordtune and tap on it. Click on message option and that's how you will be able to contact Wordtune quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.